This is an unboxing and review of the Nike Kyrie 5 ID. My name is Clanton Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. So this design is in dedication to my father, Clanton Wimberley Jr. He's the one who taught me how to use tools and taught me how to work on cars and homes, and that's why you'll see his initials on these shoes and not mine. So on the box, there's a letter D. You have your shipping label with the tracking number and everything. There's also a second label here, so my name's on here twice. Just a brown box with some tape around it, and the tape actually says the carton cannot be accepted if SG's tape is damaged. So I've already cut along it, and once you pull it down, open the packaging, you'll see that the shoe box actually fits really snugly in the box that the shoes came shipped in. So I'll slide it out. So on the top we have Nike by you, on the side Nike by Steven, and my size 10.5, and this is a picture of the shoe that I designed. So let's get into it. Open the box up, slide it out. It's covered in the white paper. And here they are. So this is my custom ID that I wanted to do. I just wanted to do something different, so I picked purple with some red and gold. We also have black with the silver and the gum sole, and I also had it custom embroidered inside the tongue, so I'll show you that. So this is my father's name, Clanton, on the left shoe, and on the right shoe it says I love you. And once again, these shoes were made just as a way to pay honor to my father. So this is like his shoe. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.